In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your photos inside of ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful method if you want to enhance an image, remove a background, or even turn a photo into a cartoon style without needing complicated software or a steep learning curve. Whether you're creating content for social media, building visuals for your brand, or just want to quickly improve a photo, this workflow can save you a lot of time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or on your device. Once you're on the main screen, you'll want to start a new chat so you can work with the image from scratch. The key here is making sure you're using a version of ChatGPT that supports image uploads, because that's what allows you to edit and transform your photo directly inside the conversation. Next, upload your photo. You can either click the attachment icon, usually shown as a paperclip, or simply drag and drop the image into the chat window. After the image uploads, ChatGPT will be able to view it and respond to your editing request. This part is really important because the quality of your starting image will influence the final result, so use the best version of your photo whenever possible. Now comes the fun part. Type your edit prompt clearly and tell ChatGPT exactly what you want done. For example, you can say, enhance this image if you want a cleaner, sharper version. You can also say, remove background if you want to isolate the subject and create a transparent or cleaner looking image for thumbnails, product shots, or graphics. If you want something more creative, you can type, make it cartoon style, and ChatGPT can help transform the look of your photo into a more illustrated or stylized version. The more specific you are, the better your results will usually be. For example, instead of just saying edit this photo, you could say improve the lighting, sharpen the face, and keep the background natural. That gives ChatGPT a much clearer direction. If the first result is not exactly what you want, you can follow up with another prompt and refine the image step by step until it looks right. Once the edited image is ready, review it carefully. Make sure the details look good, the style matches what you want, and the image works for your intended use. If everything looks perfect, go ahead and download the edited image to your device. From there, you can use it for social media posts, thumbnails, profile pictures, blog content, product visuals, or anywhere else you need a polished image. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit your photos inside of ChatGPT in a quick and easy way. This is a great trick for creators, marketers, and anyone who wants fast image edits without extra tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple AI and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.